when you are off and the weather is bad, then what you supposed to do? And that one is, I believe, Mount Gelbart. I hiked last year, and if you can see that one, it says M. I believe that is Lookout Mountain. And if you can see, there is a winding road going all the way to the Lookout Mountain. This is kind of crazy drive. Today weather is not very good, but I still believe that one is South Mesa top or something. And that one behind the Coors signboard is a North Table Mountain. And this one is obviously the Coors Brewery. This is one of the biggest beer factory in the world. I'm very excited to visit that today. And this one is 13th Street in Gordon. And I believe these are the shuttle bus. It's gonna take us to factory tour. Once you arrive, you have a big parking lot. Parking is no problem. And once you park, you have a small hut right here. You're gonna wait for the shuttle bus. I think actually that one is Lookout Mountain, where we have Bill's grave and museum. All right, it's time to board the shuttle bus. And this is my shuttle bus. Hello.
Illegal to laugh loudly in home. Alright, but seriously, welcome to Golden. And welcome to Golden.
Now I'm already inside and waiting tour guide. And very soon we're gonna visit the factory. And this is the reception.
Hello, I'm Pete Coors, here with my two sons, Peter and David Coors.
Thanks, guys, and hello, everyone. Welcome to the largest single-site brewery in the world.
Alrighty, so these are just a few of our Coors family of brands.
Leaves the brew kettle. It is sent to the whirlpool, where it is slightly cooled and any remaining solids are removed. The wort is then further cooled in our wort cooler to the temperature that's needed for fermentation. From this point through filling, the product is kept in cold and sterile conditions.
It's not a set, and those are not actors in there. I'm gonna let David Coors take it from here.
Another fifth-generation brewer and first distiller here at the Coors Brewery. Welcome to our first beer room, where I'll talk about Coors Banquet and Coors Light.
On the right-hand side. Straight ahead, we're on the transportation overlook. If you were to, I'm gonna say a statistic that may blow your mind. If you were to drink a 6-pack a day, it would take 90 years to empty one rail car full of beer. Yeah. dirt and debris, but also to introduce moisture inside of the barley seed to get it ready for phase 2, which is called germination. We never know what the process is at, so you're seeing some activity, more activity than you typically would see. It's really well. So as I said, that barley seed has to steep in the steeping tanks for 34 hours. You can see it being gravity fed right now through those pipes, which is pretty fun. I'm honestly, I've been doing this for 8 months. I don't believe this is the second time I've seen this. There isn't any clumping or growing together of these seeds. We have 48 germination beds in total. On top of everything I've just shared with you. As you can probably gather by now, we make a tremendous amount of malt. 30% of the malt started the cash for cans program in the 1970s, and we also
Yeah,
You'll see Coors Light being packaged here. Some light stuff. Sometimes they fill in our pad or whatever, but we get 3 cases of light. Yes. Pop into your lunch. Sometimes there's an issue with the filler, and I think it's a little bit more filled out. Yeah. Well, I don't want to keep you from your last 2 beers, so I just have a couple of things to share with you before I take you down to the lounge. This is gonna pick you up where you got dropped off.
It was an awesome factory tour. I like this, and I highly recommend. If you drink, you get a 3 8-ounce of beer included in this tour. All right, it was a very nice tour. I like this, and also the 3 samples, each of 8 ounce is included. If you drink, you can enjoy it. But for me, I don't drink. It's okay. I like the tour and I highly recommend. Thank you. All right. See, the weather is not very good today. It is snowing, and I changed my mind. I'm not gonna hike south tabletop mountain today. Maybe next time. Thank you. See you next time.